Welcome to ASP NET SQL Academy, your go-to place to learn web development the right way. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to support this growing learning community. You are watching part 17 of our complete HTML Mastery series, HTML Project Build a Personal Profile Page. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up your skills, you are in the right place. In this video, we will build a personal profile page from scratch covering how to structure content with HTML, add images and links, and use semantic markup best practices. This video is perfect for beginners, students, job seekers, or anyone looking to practice their HTML skills with a real world project. So, let us dive into the code and start learning by doing. Practical hands-on experience is the best way to master HTML. In this project, we will build a personal profile page using basic HTML. We will include headings, text, images, list, links, and semantic elements to create a clean and structured web page. We start with a simple HTML skeleton. The doc type, HTML element with the language attribute, head containing metadata, and an empty body where we will add our content. Inside the body, we add a header section with the person's name as an H1 heading and a short introduction in a paragraph tag. Next, we add a profile picture with an image tag. Remember to include alt text for accessibility and set the image size using width or height attributes. We add an About Me section using a semantic section tag. Inside an H2 heading and paragraph, describe the person's background. Skills are listed using an unordered list inside another section. This helps organize information clearly. Contact details use anchor tags with mail to for email and regular links for the website opening in a new tab with the target attribute. Here is the complete HTML code for our personal profile page. You can customize this template with your own details and add CSS to style it further. Today, you learned how to create a personal profile page using HTML's basic elements and semantic structure. This project reinforces the concepts covered in previous videos. Next, we will explore the CSS box model and learn how to style your HTML content for a better look and feel. If you enjoyed this project, please like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon to get notified about upcoming tutorials.